The IEEE 802.3bt standard implements which of the following? And we're going to select all that apply. So what is implemented again by 802.3bt? So what is 802.3bt? Well, let me tell you that it is a standard for introducing higher power delivery capabilities over Ethernet cables. So you're familiar with the first one, PoE, power over Ethernet, where basically you have an Ethernet cable and power is injected onto it so an end device can get not only data but power. So I'm looking at this 802.3bt is a higher standard of power delivery. The regular PoE is part of IEEE 802.3AF, not 802.3bt. And PoE Plus is more power than the regular PoE by about 25 watts. So this one is also not going to be part of 802.3bt, still 802.3, but it's going to be AT. If we look at PoE++ and 4PPoE, these are both known, respectively known as Power over Ethernet Type 3 and then Power over Ethernet Type 4. So PoE++, instead of providing an additional 25 watts, is now going to provide an additional 60 watts at the power device, and then 4PPoE is going to provide an additional 90 watts at the power device. So IEEE 802.3bt standard is basically a higher power delivery, meaning that it's going to implement PoE++ and 4PPoE. These two standards delivered a lot of power. And while IEEE 802.3bt is backwards compatible with power over Ethernet, which is like IEEE 802.3AF and IEEE 802.3AT, that's both PoE and PoE+, it's not specifically designed to implement them. It's designed to implement the higher power delivery. So these have their own definition, which is the 802.3AF and AT. Those are different. For BT, focused on higher power delivery, so that's going to be PoE++ and 4PPoE.